Learn to like yourself. You literally just have to like yourself. If I met myself, I'd probably like me. You have to see yourself as an individual. Like, I think I'm funny, I think I'm smart, I think I'm pretty. Hey guys, Sessa here. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to teach you how to be confident and all the steps to get there. You'll never just wake up and be confident. Confidence is something you practice. Confidence is a learned behavior, period. You need to start acting like the person you want to be. Don't act like yourself right now. Whoever you are, just don't be her. Be the person that you dream of. So the person that you want to be in 5 years, what does her daily routine look like every day? Does she wake up? Does she pray? Does she work out? Does she go to work? What does he or she do? What is this person doing? Become that person. Even though you don't feel like it, you need to start thinking and acting as if the person that you dream of. It's gonna feel a little delusional at first, but honestly, it works. The person that you're wanting to become, would they feel insecure? Would they not like who they are? No. You want to become a confident person, so start acting like it. Fake it till you make it is a real thing. Force yourself to do things that scare you. Force yourself out of your comfort zone. Do things that you've never done before. Be around people that you've never been around before. Put yourself in unfamiliar, uncomfortable situations. And it's the scariest step. You will feel so much more confident. Do you want to know why? Because you're doing something that's scary to you, and then once you do it, you overcome that fear. Force yourself to do uncomfortable things. Go on a date. There's a picture that you're scared to post on Instagram, post it. Like, who cares? Do things that make you nervous, do things that make you uncomfortable, and I promise you will become such a confident person. You will be so proud of yourself and shocked to see what you're capable of. Now, even if you do something that scares you and let's say it doesn't go well, or you embarrass yourself, which embarrassment isn't even real. You decide if you're embarrassed or not other people. If you don't want to be embarrassed, you're not embarrassed. Who cares? Even if you mess up, if something doesn't go your way when you're trying something new, oh well, at least you did it. Now you know it's not as scary. You need to invest in yourself. You cannot be a confident person or be the person that you want to be if you're not investing in yourself. Invest in your looks, invest in your health, invest in your mental, invest in, what you're working towards, your career. Invest in yourself. It is the best thing you can do for your confidence. Getting a gym membership, investing for your health, investing in a therapist for your mental health, taking courses so that you can, improve with your career, further your knowledge. Investing in yourself is the best thing you can do. Reading books. Do things for yourself right now that your future self will thank you for. Start investing in yourself right now. You have to become obsessed with yourself. You have to be obsessed with yourself. You cannot be obsessed with other people's lives. You cannot pay attention to other people's lives. You have to be hyper-focused on your life, what you're doing. When I'm on social media, I'm not checking people's stories, their Snapchats. I rarely pay attention to what other people are doing because one, I really don't care, and two, like, if it doesn't have to do with my life, I'm not interested. Now, this doesn't mean be a selfish person, but when you're so hyper fixated on what everyone else is doing and what everyone else, has going on, it is so bad for you because one, it leads to comparison, and that's the worst thing you can do for your confidence. Do not compare yourself to people. And to avoid comparing yourself to people, you just have to stay out of other people's lives. If you are following these celebrities, these influencers who live lavish lives on social media, and it doesn't make you feel good, if you're following people with different body types as you, different careers, whatever, and it doesn't make you feel good, if it makes you feel insecure, distance yourself from it. Focus on your life. We should never have this much access to other people. It blows my mind. So stay out of it, and I promise you will become a more confident person. Honestly, ignorance is bliss. I am ignorant to what's going on in other people's lives, and I could not care less because I am just focused on my life. Learn to like yourself. You literally just have to like yourself. If I met myself, I'd probably like me. You have to see yourself as an individual. Like, I think I'm funny, I think I'm smart, I think I'm pretty. If you don't like me, I don't care because I like myself. I like that I'm a hard worker. I like that when I have a goal, I stick to it. I like that I'm considerate. I like the opinions that I have. I like myself. Generally speaking, I do like myself, and if I met myself on the street, I would want to be my friend. To be a confident person, you need to learn how to trust yourself. Make short-term goals and commit to them and stick with them, and your confidence will skyrocket. Make commitments to yourself and complete them successfully. Stick with your commitments to yourself, stick with your promises to yourself, and your confidence will boom. I promise you, nobody will ever be able to tell you anything. Like, I have completed so many things. I have made so many commitments to myself, so many promises to myself, whether it's weight loss, getting a degree, getting a new job. Like, I have always completed every commitment that I've made to myself. I'm capable of doing these things. What else am I capable of? Like, unstoppable. I have so many goals and so many commitments, and because I've successfully completed so many things in my past, I'm beyond sure that I'm going to complete the things in my future. Make goals, finish them. These are some of my tips and tricks. These are the things that helped me become a confident person. Confidence is a journey. If you think you're going to wake up tomorrow morning after watching this video or another video and be the most confident person in the world, I hope so, but that's probably not going to happen. You know, it's confidence is a journey. Confidence is a practice. It's something you learn, and it's something you decide to do.